wait is over now and we will learn how to make tandoori style gobi in air fryer. Let's start with gobi. Water is already boiling, so and I have added salt to it, so I'll transfer gobi to it. I have washed and cut the florets, see, almost in equal size. Okay, and we have to parboil it, so I'll just cover it so it becomes faster. Now what we'll do is, what I'll do is I'll show you how to cut potato first, because we are going to make potato also. After that I'll show you how to make marination. So I have kept 2 medium sized potatoes and I have peeled them. Just cut them in the center, cut them once more, and like this, cut 4 pieces. Okay, I will parboil gobi and aloo separately because they take different time to cook. So what I'll do here, I don't want to waste energy. So what I'll do here, these are washed potatoes. I'll transfer them into this strainer, and what we can do is, here also we can add little salt to it, here only. And I'll just put it over this patila where the gobi is already boiling, and I'll cover it. So this also will get steamed. Okay, now let's start with our marination. Take a bowl. Here I have curd. Try to take curd, thick one, without water. This has left little water because I had taken it out a while ago. Okay, and here this is powdered roasted chana. See this chana, roasted chanas we get in the market. Generally South Indians use it, so you can powder it and keep it, or otherwise take besan and on medium flame just roast besan, and you can keep a box. Better fill a jar and keep. Whenever we make cutlets and tikkis, you can use the same besan for that. So here I'm putting this besan. You know why we put? To keep the marination coating the stick. This is homemade tandoori masala. This is my homemade tandoori masala. You can see it is coarse and it's a shortcut. I will tell you. I have put red chili, very little haldi, turmeric and coriander powder, and very little cumin powder because otherwise it changes the color, and a little bit of garam masala powder to it, and black salt. And this has ginger garlic powder also in it. So I am not using ginger garlic paste separately because I have added one spoon of ginger powder, half a spoon of garlic powder. You can use ginger garlic paste. I'll add little more because gobi is more, and I'm using this marination for gobi and one surprise for you, bonus for the weight, and that is mushrooms. Some people like mushroom, so we will make mushroom and gobi in the same marination. Now one more twist to it. See, this is haldi. We get fresh haldi root like this these days. It's available in the market, so I have grated it and kept. I want my gobi to be in yellow color. Okay, and mushroom will be same color, otherwise we can take it out and add little colors we should not use. You should use degi mirchi. Colors we should avoid. I don't use colors for any cooking. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll start mixing it. See, it is thick, so I'll add rest of the curd to it. Yeah, let's mix the whole thing first. See how much it is. Mix it nicely. This haldi is, this turmeric, fresh turmeric is really good, and these days everybody is saying for to keep away the infections and viruses, we should eat haldi every day. So you can grate it and keep it in, instead of haldi powder, turmeric powder, use this haldi. It is really good. And I'll add little salt here. Little bit of salt. You can taste it later on. Yeah, gobi is almost getting ready. See, I'm mixing it well. Now we add little mustard oil to it. If you don't like mustard oil, you can add any other oil, olive oil, but generally in marinations, tandoori especially, we use mustard oil. See, the marination is ready. I'll just taste it to taste the salt. It's really nice, very tasty. So what I'll do now is, till my gobi is getting ready, I'll take little marination out of it here and I'll marinate my mushrooms in it. Mushrooms do not need to be marinated for a long time because they have water in them. I had washed and kept mushrooms. There's a trick, washing mushroom, just put a little bit flour, it takes away, and then wash it. Don't use too much water, but when you put flour a little bit, it takes away all the black things that stick to the mushroom. So this is mushroom marination ready. So till my gobi is getting ready, let's check it. Yeah, it's hot. The strainer is hot. And let me check the gobi. Yeah, it is done. Here you can see. We don't have to galao it too much or cook it too much. And we can take it out like this. Okay. I use another strainer with the tray underneath because I'm going to use the same water for boiling the potatoes. So I'll take it out and keep it for becoming cold. Till then, I will transfer these potatoes into the water and I can put it on high flame. No issue. Just it takes, you know how much time it took, 2 minutes, 3-4 minutes for the gobi, and if you are keeping like in this manner, then 3 minutes for the potatoes. Now we need to put it separately to cool it down, then only we can put it in the marination. But what I'm going to do is, this marination seems little less to me, so I'll add little more flour to it and little more curd. For potatoes, I am going to show you another type of marination. कहते हैं ना कि धैर्य का फल मीठा होता है. आप लोगों ने वेट किया है, तो इसीलिए आज एक डिफरेंट बोनस है. एंड पोटैटो का मैरिनेशन का कलर हम डिफरेंट रखेंगे, तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे करेंगे. अभी इसके अंदर मैं गोभी का है, तो मैं इसमें ये कसूरी मेथी मैंने रोस्टेड रखी थी. कसूरी मेथी इसको मैं हाथ से ऐसे मसल के इसमें ऐड कर रही हूँ. इससे बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर आता है. ऐसे और थोड़ा सा अब मैं इसको साइड में रख दूँगी. यस, ओके. सो आई कीप इट ऑन वन साइड. और ओके, now let's start with marination for potatoes. Okay. First of all, we'll take curd in the bowl. I think we need a little bit more curd, otherwise it's okay. Now, one more thing we can do is we can add a little bit of lemon juice at this time. Beat your curd well. Add 2 potatoes, so I'm adding 2 spoons of besan or ground chana powder to it. Here the difference is, here see I have this chutney, green chutney. I am making potatoes in green color and chutney potato, you can say. So the marination will have a very nice chutney flavor. Even when you have your potatoes, it will taste very nice. If you don't have chutney at home, you can just grind, take a coriander, little bit of, take less mint, more coriander, and add 2 chilies to it, and in that only you can add ginger garlic also, and make a paste of it. Because my tandoori masala has ginger garlic powder to it, so I am not adding ginger garlic paste. And I had this chutney at home ready. We can use the whole chutney here. See, this gram flour powder will hold this marination onto the potatoes. To this also we'll add a little bit of mustard oil or sarson ka tel. You can add butter also if you want. It will really give a very nice flavor. So our marinations are ready. Let me check on my potatoes. Yeah, potatoes are ready. Yeah, it is ready. We don't want to make it too much, otherwise it will not take the marination. Boiled potatoes cannot take the marination inside. And now we will leave it for cooling down. We'll leave it separately to cool down. So all our marinations are ready, and mushrooms I had done before, and after cooling the potatoes I have put them in the mixture and kept it in fridge for 2 hours. Gobi is there, it's all ready, and I put already air fryer on preheat on 180 degree. Okay, so I'll switch it off for a minute. I'll start with mushrooms. If you have spray bottle, you can spray some oil on the skillet. Otherwise, just use a brush like me and spread the oil. And I will put the mushrooms here, one by one. Try to use big mushrooms, because mushrooms on cooking lose water, so they generally shrink. So bigger mushrooms are good. If you don't have bigger mushrooms, it's okay. Smaller mushroom, but then you try to use equal size. Keep everything equal size so that it cooks. And we have already added oil to it, so we don't need to add oil over here. Air fryer cooking is very healthy and very good. I am putting it for 10 minutes. I will put gobi into this and same 180 degree 10 minutes. See here, this is potato. It's ready and it's so delicious. Look at the color. Look at the colors. It's air fried in 10 to 15 minutes. That's all it takes to cook it. See, this is mushroom and here is our cauliflower. So guys, enjoy yourselves. Stay healthy, stay home, stay fit. Avoid deep fried, eat more air fried food.